Hello student. Today we are going to study about did women have a revolution or not. It's what the women got in this revolution. So you all know that from the beginning, women were active participants in the events, which brought about so many important change in French society. Means they hoped that their involvement would pressurize the revolutionary government to introduce some means reforms for their lives. But this didn't happen because at that time they were uneducated and doing the small work in other families. So during the revolutionary government, there are about 60 women's club in different French society. I mean, in order to discuss and voices their interests, the women started their own political club and newspaper. So at that time, it means during the revolutionary government, there is about 60 women's club in a different French society. I mean, the society of revolutionary and republican women was most famous of them. Means there are 60 and out of 62 clubs was very famous. Means society of revolutionary and republican women was very famous. Their main demands was that women enjoy the same political right as men. Means at that time the men had too much rights, but the women's have no had no rights. So they wanted that means they enjoy the same political right as men. They demanded the right to vote, to be elected to be the assembly. Means they demanded that to hold political office. But you all know that when the constitutions of 1791 was enforced, means they reduced them to the passive citizens. Means they have not given right to vote, but their demands were increased. In the early year, the revolutionary government did introduce the law that helped improve the lives of women. And what were the means law introduced for the benefit of for the betterment of the women's lives? Schooling was made compulsory for all girls. Now, education was given to every girl. Their father could no longer force them into marriage against their will. Marriage was registered under the civil law. Divorce was made legal and could be applied by both women and men. Before it, the women had no right to means apply for the divorce. Now they can also be applied for the divorce. Women could now train for jobs, could become artists and run small business. Means these are the some measures law made by the revolutionary government to improve the lives of women. During the reign of terror, you all know that at that time 1793 to 1794 was the period is known as the reign of terror, and means at that time the Robespierre was there. The new government issues laws ordering closure of the women's clubs and the banning their political activities. Means during the revolutionary government, the women's got some benefit, but after the conventions governments means but after the but during the conventions governments means all the means benefits given to the women's were drawback, and many of the prominent women were arrested and number of them executed. Means at that time women were not means not given permissions to make the political club and take took part in the politics. And those women who means do raise voice against this, they were arrested and sent to the prison, and some were executed. Means there is example of Olympe de Georgie. Means women are those who are very favorable for the women's right. I mean, according to her, that the men and women are born equal, and same rights should be there. So, whenever he raised the voice against the Robespierre government, she is executed. So, this is all about the women. Did have a revolutions or not? I mean, it is a mix. And so at that time, I don't think that the women have revolutions, because their struggle for the right to vote continue. And in 1946, women in France, women won the right to vote. Means there is a revolution. There was a revolutions of 1789, but she means women's got right to vote in 1946 in France. For today, it's okay. Thank you.